Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to show ruler in Canva. In this tutorial, I will use a PDF that we imported before. If you want to see how to import PDF, you can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I click to open PDF. Next, if we want to show ruler, we can use Shift R to show ruler here. Now I press Shift R again to hide the ruler. Alternative, we can go to File and Settings. We can show rulers and guides and click it to show rulers. And we can click and drag to add a guide. For example, I add in the middle of the design page. And also we can add the guide vertically. So this is how we can use ruler and add guides in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.